did. All right. Let's go. I know none of you are interested in what I thought of the movie Dhurandhar. I have long left my reviewing career. But no, it is as long as a Hyderabad Pickleball League fixture. That's all I wanted to say.
Wide mic. Check. Hello.
Right, so Turbo Titans was All Stars. Here we go. Love.
Hello.
Second serve.
Hello.
Karunesh draws first blood. Swats that ball away.
In case you just tuned in, remember the Titans and the All-Stars are playing for everything now. Everything's on the line. Whoever wins goes to the finals.
Good speed up there from Nikhil. Caught Karunesh a little bit by surprise. And both teams settle in this match.
Immaculate placement.
I think that's become a bit of a trademark for Shashank. Quick hands and finding that gap in the middle.
Power. Power there from Karunesh. Karunesh, the name by the way, means God of mercy. No mercy here. Shown the beautiful there.
Quick breaks here from both teams. All stars on serve.
I know commentators are supposed to be neutral, but who are you guys rooting for?
I mean, I have friends on both teams, so I'm not gonna give my opinion out loud. Gagan, do you have a favorite?
No, not so quick. Who are you better friends with?
That's exactly why I'm not going to be revealing my preferences here.
Okay, guys, you don't need to show off just because we don't have friends. Me and Gagan. Yeah, you don't have to wrap it in. Early into the match, you can already see the difference between the two teams. Teamta is a quick mover. Using his, I hate sounding like Ravi Shastri, but using his long legs. Good use. That's the thing about Ravi Shastri commentary, everything sounds like triple meaning.
He's also still an active tennis player, right? So you can see that court coverage, Shashank's gameplay.
Yeah. Also, something about people who wear wristbands just makes them look way more professional. Or maybe my childhood heroes all wore wristbands.
Akshat getting the better of both Shashank and Nikhil in that hands battle.
Some very decisive net play from the All Stars. The moment the ball comes up, they see an opportunity. They're capitalizing it really well. The back on serve now, first serve leading 3-2.
What a spot there by Karunesh. Also a couple of interesting things here. The last time they met, it was actually Sam and Soli who started out for the All-Stars. This time they've changed up their men's doubles sequence with Sam and Soli coming second and Karunesh and Akshat starting off, because I think it didn't work out against Nikhil and Shashank Vedant and Nikhil. So far, they're holding their own.
Commentators' curse coming into play early into the game. Also, Ramya, I enjoyed watching you play when I was doing the commentary. Also, I noticed you show no emotion at all. Absolutely nothing.
Thank you, very kind of you. I mean, I think I don't show emotions until I get into a position of, let's say, having to make up a deficit or when it's really close. That's when I kind of show some emotions and will myself to victory. Until then, yes, I try to focus on the game, keep my head down, and get the job done.
Great athlete, if you were an actor, terrible actor.
Good poker player, maybe.
Yeah, good at poker.
Again, am I a good poker player?
I was just going to call you the Roger Federer of pickleball. I don't know how you feel about that.
I mean, I don't think that's a rightly given title. Alright, back to the game. Titans on serve, 3-5.
Nikhil to Akshat.
Some superb angles there, incredible deft touches as well, but eventually finding a net there. Titans serve with the All-Stars now at 5-3.
Another interesting point I've noted is that he has changed his serve action completely, which means he's changed his service completely mid-league. Like he started out the league with a different serve and now he has a different serve, which is very, very gutsy move. It's a superior technique serve here, but mid-league I wouldn't change my serve, so good on him for being able to like make that happen.
Vocal fans in the audience. I love Akshat though, he seems so unassuming, like a kid at a science park, you know. Doesn't look very dangerous till he places one of those balls at one of those places where you can't reach for it. Just that plays beautifully between the legs. One of those awkward areas where you can't really lift the ball. Exciting passage of play, but perhaps the excitement got a little better of Akshat over there. Avoidable error over there. It was easier for me to say.
What a shot there. Decisive winner, split the two All-Stars players from in between. It's all square now. Titans looked a little slow to get started, but they're squared up and still on the second serve, bringing the match to the All-Stars.
You know, we are still in early stages of the first match of this fixture. So I would like to ask you a slightly off-beat question. So we have our favorite teams and games and gameplay and strategies. But which has been your favorite name in the league among all the teams? Like just the name.
We have a player in our midst, so she might be a little biased in her answer.
No, I really like Titans as a name. I like Chargers as well, Nandi Chargers. So yeah, both of those are pretty catchy.
You know, I have a funny
I'd say Nandi Chargers as well, because I love the IPL, I love cricket. Yeah, so they had the Chargers name from Deccan Chargers, and their logo is also of a Nandi. So yeah, I'd say Nandi Chargers.
Yeah, I love the Nandi Chargers. Actually, I'll tell you a funny story about Titans. So, way back during my childhood, there was something called the Titan Cup. 8-6.
Just going to interrupt your story for a second there. All Stars at 8-6 are slightly ahead at the changeover. Will this be an important time for the Titans to reevaluate any changes that they need to make? Alright, back to your story. Priya.
Yeah, so my story was that in my childhood there was a tournament, a cricket tournament called the Titan Cup. And Tendulkar was the captain, obviously my childhood hero. And his captaincy phase was very turbulent, but somehow he won the series playing from behind. And I loved it so much, I requested my father, cried to get me a Titan watch. Of course, years pass, decades pass. I come to know later through a Tehelka investigation that all of Titan Cup was fixed. Rakesh Maria was the police commissioner of Mumbai for the longest time. He revealed that all of it, just the entire. Yeah.
Your childhood is alive.
It was a lie. But I got to watch though.
How beautiful were those old-time Titan watches, though?
Right now on the screen you can see the three of us. Very rarely do they show the commentators. It could be my face also. I have a very audiogenic face. Face meant for radio. Alright, back to the match. 8-6, the All-Stars itself. I have a question for you, Ramya. You've been part of this whole tournament. I've noticed when it comes to the serves, there are two broad strategies that you could use. Some of them add a little bit of a spin to the serve. Whereas a lot of players just keep it very simple. Just try to keep it uncomplicated. What strategy would you prefer, and are there any pros and cons?
It depends on whether you're playing singles and doubles a little bit. In singles, you have to go for your serves, your big serves. In doubles, not as much, right? Because there are two players and it's a small court. There's only so much a good serve is going to be able to do. Because at this level, most people are going to be able to return a good serve. That's the first thing. And it also depends on returners, right? If the person who's receiving is giving me a few 3 points on big serves, I'll take that. Whereas if they're a consistent returner, I'll be consistent about it as well. Titans have come roaring back after the changeover. We're seeing both Nikhil and Srikanth with intensity. They want this one. What an angle there. Simplicity itself.
Here are the combos. The patience clearly paying off. Slender lead, 10-8. The Termo Titans, Nikhil as the captain.
All 4 players. The rally's still on. Karunesh has the last laugh there. What a brilliant rally from all 4 players on court.
Right, when life gives you a second chance, as does pickleball. So we are at the second serve. What do we call sort of foul?
Foul call there. Karunesh's leg just over the line there.
Ramya, it's time. How do the players feel about the area of the court called the kitchen?
Mostly I just take these foul calls like you are in your rhythm and then suddenly you realize I just took one extra step. About the kitchen, I don't have any particular thoughts. As in,
What do you think about claims that the name kitchen is hurting the PR of the sport?
there's multiple names that are hurting the PR of this sport. But yeah, I have no personal issue against it.
They should have thought of it when they called the game pickleball.
Let's start with it. done. Nikhil just finding those one or two shots where he's able to get the better of the opponents there. 11-8. I'm sorry, 8-11. All Stars on serve.
Rhythm goes both ways. The Titans clear finding theirs as well. And you'd expect what's just happened, the All-Stars now to recalibrate and come back fighting again. The Titans leading 11-8.
Still early days in this fixture. Remember, we play 6 matches every fixture, and if by the end of them we are at 3 each, then we have a tiebreaker called a game breaker. Quite chilly here at the Hyderabad Pickleball League today.
I also think Shashank has been doing a brilliant job of keeping up with really high quality men's doubles. He's not been active on the pickleball scene before the Hyderabad Pickleball League, so there are a couple of techniques that are new to him, and he's just been so consistent with the dings, his net play, so he's really risen to the occasion here. Back on serve.
Could you give us a little bit of a background into what he used to do, what was he involved with earlier?
I mean, he's a tennis player, so he has dual skills that he's transferring into this game. But there are a couple of techniques such as thinking and specific volleys that you need to change your technique for. And this is high quality pickleball, like high standard pickleball, right? So for him to bridge that gap so quickly, I think he's really shown up. Titans inch closer to their victory.
We'll have to wait for the referee's call. Out it's called. An almost beautiful winner. Shashank is pumped up. In fact, you can see the difference even in the temperament of both teams. You know, the Titans all pumped up, very expressive, wear their hearts in their sleeves.
Titans just 2 points away from taking the game now. They've just lost serve to the All-Stars though. So Ramya, women's doubles is next. How much of a difference does it make coming into the tie with a 1-0 lead versus a love one deficit when you enter the court?
I think psychologically it plays a big role in anyone entering the field, right? Like you start off on the right foot, the whole team is pumped up, the whole team is energized, so this is a big one.
Titans coasting home, just 1 point away from registering their first win in this particular fixture.
That's gone long. The Titans found their rhythm a little late, but when they found it, they held on to it. Comfortable 15-8 victory for them. They take a 1-0 lead in the first round of this tie. Coming up next is the women's doubles. What a match. Next up, women's doubles.